તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
They are misleading the people of nation and in fact the people of Karnataka. The main agenda here is to set the Hanumadwaj and all the people of villagers, irrespective of the party, have put in money. They have not used a single rupee of the government grant. After that, they have made a resolution in the local Gram Panchayat and they have hosted the Hanumadwaj flag. For some reason, Congress is allergic to Kesri and for the Hindus. In Karnataka especially, that we have seen in Central also. Prana Pratishthan event was held on 22nd of January, which they have boycotted, and in Karnataka they are reinforcing the view of the Congress agenda, which is anti-Hindu.
They should have basic common sense. Let them do politics, not on the law of the land. We don't mind. We all respect religion. We can't allow all people to act. We can't allow everyone to take the law into their hands.
Yes, sir. The permission was taken only for the national flag.
That is why I am telling you, they are trying to do politics, let them do.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.